should go that way first, because this way is too cold. Whew. You know, me not going run at the river. The river is gonna be so cold. I can't remember this winter thing. Mercy. This need boots and jackets. Jesus. Whew. That's how cold it is out here. I'm just gonna do this walk and hurry and go back inside. I can't manage this. It's too cold. Whew. Yes, I need the sun. So the car can run race with the real vehicle. Yeah, take it from this angle. And then when I hit the real cold, it's almost done. Because hi, welcome in. What's up? Nothing much. I'm doing some exercise. Welcome into my life. Thank you for joining. You're new here. Thank you so much. Huh? 20 people up on my live already? It's when I come on. Or it's glitch. Jesus. It's so cold out here. You want to think it's weather. Whew. You want to think it's winter. I am freezing. I don't know if it's all these people are. Whatever they are masking under. And it's not Halloween yet. Jeez. Why is it so cold? Mercy. I can't believe it's so cold. Look at the river down there, guys. The river is down the bottom. Is it a river? Yeah, the river is down the bottom. But thank you guys for coming in. I'm seeing a lot does that boot. Mind me of a black one, you know. I wanna come from now upon this live. Look guys, it's so cold out here. I wonder if it's winter. It's still summer, but why is it so cold? I'm gonna take you off of the live. Whew. Oh, see a boat there, guys. See a boat on the river there. See a boat? Where is it? Gone behind the tree. But there's a boat on the river. See it? See it there? It's the boat on the river. Yeah. Are you seeing the boat on the river? Yeah. It was so cold. but it's kind of warm up now. And funny is it, I thought this side would have been the coldest, but no, it's better than the other side that I'm coming from. So the boat there, see it? The boat is sailing, sailing, sailing. Yeah. Whew, whew.
Where are you going? Home. I was just home.
Where these people come from on this live? These Almaid people come from. A piece of coal nearly make me turn back, you know. Remind me that winter is winter. Jesus. Mercy. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's crazy, crazy, crazy weather this summer. Almost done my walk. I'll show you the river again. Overlooking the river. That's the river there. That's the river. Yay. It is cold. I don't know where this weather comes from. It looks like, feels like 40. Yes. The weather feels like 40 degrees. Hmm. Ooh, wow. Jeez. It's freezing. I don't know what to say. Freezing out here. It's cold. It's still cold. Oh, the bus is there. So much things happening today and I didn't come out. It's still summer, but it's cold. I didn't know that I would feel this cold in summer. Yes, I made it. I made it. I am almost back. Yeah, I made it. I am almost back.
Hi. Hey, TV. You should connect your Netflix to it or something.
Whew. I couldn't even walk fast, guys. Oh, that's a step up. Let's take a look at sat in the sun because I don't know where them breeze come from. Thank you guys for coming with me. Thank you so much for coming with me. Thank you. Whew. Thank you so much, guys. So I'm gonna say bye for now. See you in my next live. Okay? Thank you so much. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you are celebrating any anniversary of any kind, happy anniversary. Um, if you have lost anyone or in any situation, my condolences to you. I want to video this squirrel on the tree. So bye guys, take care.